Hi YouTube, this is a tutorial of how to make a paper NPG6. This is my sort of NPG6. Yours will not look like this. It does all the pumping and all that, and it's got a mag and it's got a bullet. The bullet, I'm not going to tell you how to make the bullet because I assume you should already know how to make it. Just cut a bit of paper out and just make it into a sort of point shape. Yeah. So we will be working on this gun, NPG6. So let's start. I will be doing a video of how to make a sort of scope on it, which is basically looks a bit like a sniper scope. And this little point thing that I have on my other NPG6, which is here, like that. Okay. So let's start. First of all, you need scissors.
Wow, this looks big.
Pencil, sellotape, and of course paper. So first, take a sheet of paper and roll it up. Doesn't have to be too thick, too big, or too small. But it depends. It doesn't really matter. It depends how big your bullet's gonna be.
That looks small.
Shush.
Don't you think?
Just tighten my mouth a bit. And then after you've tightened it up and made it like your size that you want it to be, then you just tape it all up. Tape it up long ways because you will be cutting it up. And then what you do, get another sheet and wrap that around it. Make sure it's like a bit tight over it, but not too tight. Oops. What's going on? And make sure it can go quite easily in and out. And then once you have that, just tape it up. Long ways, remember. You don't have to tape it all up because you will be cutting this one. But I am. After you've done that, then you have to cut it about there, that much. Yeah, about that much. So you cut there. Don't need the small bit, you chop that way. You have this bit. Okay, what you do, you put it in there, or the bit that is a bit more comfortable and can go in much easily, and then you just make this bit a bit smaller. Actually, this bit should be cut a bit more. And then after that, what you do is you get your pencil and then you mark the bit where it comes out here. So just there. That bit there. You take that out and what you do is you flatten it up to that mark. And then you cut all the way up to that mark. then you cut it out like that. And then you have this, and then you flatten it, and then it will be easier for your bullet to come out. And then you tape up the sides, so, you know, nothing will hang loose. And you'll be like, what the hell is this? And the same on the other side. After that, you just put that in there. And put that to the side. Then you get another sheet and you roll this up. Has to be fairly small or thin. This thing's a bit unsightly. Like that. And then you tape it all up. There. Then you get another sheet of paper and then you fold that in half like that. It has to be fairly easy to go through, but as you can see, mine's a bit too loose. I'm going to tighten it a bit. After it can go through, then just make it tight on it. Not too tight, but just make this tight on that. So I'm going to tighten it. Oops. I just made it too tight. Like that. And then you tape it up. Now, in part 2, you'll see what to do with these tubes. Bye.